Mr. Chairman, sir, since the discussion has been raised on the entire working of the banking industry, you will agree with me that it will not be possible within the time at my disposal to answer all the points the honorable members have raised because they have touched on the entire working of the banking industry. So I shall confine my answer to some of the specific points that they raise. Firstly, the honorable members raising this discussion seems to be under a misconception that all the evils of our society are to be remedied just by the nationalization of banks. We have quite a lot of problems in our society which have got to be solved, and there are various strategies which the government is using to solve these problems, to remove the imbalance, to remove disparities in income, and to control the monopolies. Bank nationalization happen to be one of these strategies. In answer to the honorable member's question, and he has asked extensively from the ministry question on various aspects of the bank credit. We have not hidden any information. Those information that were not available, we have taken time to supply. The objective of bank nationalization, firstly, was to help the national economy, secondly, to help the hitherto neglected sector of our economy, and thirdly, to remove the imbalance that is there in our economic life. When you judge the result of bank nationalization, you have to keep all these factors in view because whatever amounts are there at the disposal of the banks have got to be used in furtherance of three or four factors for which bank nationalization has been done. Para. Having said this, I would now refer to some of the specific points that the honorable members has raised. His first point was about nationalization of foreign banks. This question has been time and again answered on the floor of the House that at the present moment the government does not consider it desirable to nationalize foreign banks because the foreign banks play specific role in the entire national economy. There is some expertise connected with the foreign banks. At the present moment, we have nationalized 14 commercial banks, and at the present moment it is considered desirable to allow these foreign banks to play the specific expertise role that they are playing. Para, as I said earlier, this government is not afraid of foreign interest or any other interest. When the government considered that the time has become ripe for nationalizing foreign banks, the government will come before the parliament and will not hesitate to do that at the moment. As has been stated time and again, the government does not consider it necessary and desirable to do it because of the factor that I have indicated. He also raised another point that the institutional credit should be given to the agricultural sector.